Hi everyone. I hope you all are doing well. So our group have five members: Dhwani, Inderjit, Dhruvika, Chinedu, and John Jr. So today we will be presenting an overview of four essential components of effective project management, which are quality, planning, scheduling, and control. The content for this presentation is based on Kaizener's 2022 Project Management Framework. Together, these concepts create the foundation for delivering successful projects consistently and professionally. Now we will walk you through how these areas work together to drive project outcomes and how organizations use them to reduce risk, maintain quality, and ensure stakeholders' satisfaction. Now comes to the next slide, which is on module overview. So this module focuses on understanding how quality, planning, scheduling, and control influence the success of any project. We also look at how professional project management integrates tools, processes, and people to ensure everything runs smoothly. Another important focus area is risk management and contract management, since both play a major role in meeting quality expectations and protecting the project from uncertainty. By the end of this module, you should understand the key variables that determine whether a project succeeds or fails. Now we can see the third slide, which is on course learning outcomes and elements of the performance. So the learning outcomes for this module revolve around two core areas. So the first one is we examine the fundamentals of planning and scheduling. Next, we explore risk management control, contract management, and the quality assessments, which are essential for the maintaining high project standards. Additionally, we focus on understanding the variables that determine project success, such as team capability, communication skills, resource availability, and stakeholder engagement. So the another part will be covered by my another group member. Thank you.
We'll be talking about the quality and concept of planning. Quality planning is the background of strong project performance. This is the stage where we define how quality will be measured, documented, and achieved. During this quality planning, we ask questions such as what are the customers' expectations, what are the standard must be, projects must meet, what merit will be tracking to ensure quality and talk about quality plan. This align the project requirements with customer needs and set the foundation for quality assurance and quality control activity that comes later without proper planning. Teams often struggle to meet expectations or fail to achieve constant results. Uh, the other part of concept scheduling. This talks about scheduling, transferring the project plans into a timeline of tasks. During this stage, work is broken down into clear activities and realistic timelines are assigned. Effectively, scheduling ensure that the right resources are available at the right time. Project manager often use tools like Grant chart, critical path method, and PRET analysis to build accurate and flexible schedules, as well design a schedule improving workflow efficiency, prevent delay, and helps teams stay coordinated throughout the projects.
Quality concept control. Quality control is all about ensuring that deliverables meet the quality standards established in the planning phase. This involves monitoring project activities, conducting inspections, reviewing test results, and performing audits. If deviations are found, corrective actions are implemented immediately to bring the project back on track. Ultimately, quality control ensures customer satisfaction and supports a smooth project closure. The next slide is about professional service techniques in project management. In professional project environments, success depends on three interconnected elements: people, processes, and tools. On the people side, a strong leadership, clear communication, and teamwork are essential. On the process side, having documented workflows, governance structures, and standardized procedures ensures consistency. On the tool side, managers rely on software for scheduling, budgeting, monitoring, and reporting. When these three elements are integrated effectively, products are more predictable, more organized, and more likely to succeed. Thank you.
Risk management is one of the most important responsibilities in project management. We start with risk identification, where potential problems are identified before they occur. Next comes risk analysis, which evaluates the probability and potential impact of each risk. Once this is done, we develop risk response strategies such as mitigation, avoidance, transfer, or acceptance. Throughout the project, risks are continuously monitored and updated. Effective risk management reduces uncertainty and increases the predictability of project outcomes. Contract management is essential, especially in projects that rely on external vendors or involve procurement. A strong contract sets expectations and deliverables, timelines, pricing, and quality standards. It helps prevent conflicts by clearly outlining the responsibilities of all parties. Contract management also provides the legal and procedural foundations that protects both the organization and the project team. When contracts are well managed, the project benefits from consistency, accountability, and better communication with partners.
Now let's talk about variables affecting project success. Several key variables influence whether a project is successful. These includes having clear and realistic objectives, strong leadership and competent team members, effective and consistent communication with stakeholders, adequate allocation of time, money and skills, good quality planning and strong risk mitigation, and finally, stakeholder engagement and satisfaction. If even one of these variables is missing, the project may encounter delays, quality issues, or stakeholder dissatisfaction. Now, moving to the next slide, which is evaluating quality in project management. To evaluate quality in a project, several elements came into play. First, we look at quality metrics, which allows us to measure performance against set standards. Next, quality assurance ensures that the processes being used are effective and consistent. Then, quality control focuses on inspecting deliverables and verifying they meet requirements. Projects also benefit from continuous improvement where lessons from each phase are used to refine future processes. The final checkpoint is customer validation, confirm, confirming that stakeholders are satisfied with the results. Now, we have module summary. To summarize, this module covered the essential components of project quality, planning, scheduling, and control. We also looked at how people, processes, and tools came together to support project success. In addition, we explored risk management, contract management, and methods for evaluating quality. By understanding these concepts, we are better prepared for both our final assessment and future project management roles. Thank you for listening.